So that is 22nd one. 23rd. Points on the ellipse whose eccentric angles differ by. 23rd discuss చేశాను కదా నిన్న వీడియో తీసుకొచ్చాను. 23rd నిన్న క్లాస్ లో చెప్పాను. ఐ మీన్ ప్రీవియస్ లెక్చర్. ఈ వీడియో చూసుకో. ఇంకా అర్థం కాకపోతే మెసేజ్ చేయి. పంపిస్తాను. నెక్స్ట్ 25th 26th ప్రవీణ్ 25th S dash are the foci of the ellipse. So ellipse 16x square plus 25y square is equal to 400. Okay. So x square by 16 2s are 32, 80, 16 5s are 80 plus y square by 16. Okay, is equal to 1. So a square is equal to 25 and b square is equal to 16. So a is 5 and b is 4. Next, s and s dash are okay. So first find e. Under root 1 minus b square by a square is equal to under root 1 minus 16 by 25, which is 25 minus 16, 9 by 25, 3 by 5. So value of e is 3. Value of e is 3 by 5. Now s is ae comma 0. So a is 5. 5 into 3 by 5. 3 comma 0. And s dash is minus ae comma 0, which means minus 3 comma 0. Okay. So those are s and s dash. Now ps p dash is the focal chord where sp is equal to a. ps p dash is a focal chord. Is a focal chord where sp is equal to 8. Where sp is equal to 8. Then the arrangement of the values a, b, c, d in the descending order. First one, sp plus s dash p, ps plus ps dash p, 2a, that is always constant. See, a is sp plus s dash p, which is always a constant. 2a, its answer is, its value is 2a. So a is 2a. So next one s dash p. So we already know sp. So all we need to find is s dash p. This formula aim lag you can do it. Don't worry about that. In real life. Okay. Anyways, so ps p dash is a focal chord where sp is equal to 8. So if sp is 8, we don't know about p. Let the point P be a cos theta comma b sin theta. अक्कड़ नीचे start कर दो. A 5. So 5 cos theta comma 3 sin theta. Okay. So ps p dash is a focal chord. ps p dash is a focal chord. So second option is S dash P. And in the final option we have SP dash also. So ultimately we need to find SP dash as well. So how to find SP dash? So P, which is 5 cos theta comma, first SP SP is equal to 8. So this SP square is equal to 64. Now 5 cos theta minus 3 whole square plus 3 sin theta whole square is equal to 64. Okay, 5 cos theta minus 3 whole square. Now solve it. 25 cos square theta. Okay, 25 cos square theta plus 9 minus 15, 5 3 are 15 into 2, 30 cos theta plus 9 sin square theta is equal to 64. Now, so try to convert this entire equation in terms of a single trigonometric ratio. Now here we have cos theta, but here we have sin square theta. So write sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. So 25 c square, let's see the cos theta, plus 9 minus 30 c plus 9 minus 9 c square, because sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 64. 25 minus 9, 16 c square minus 30 c, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 minus 64 minus 18 minus 64 minus 46. Okay, అంతే కదా, అంతే, is equal to 0. Now take 2 common. 8c square minus 15c minus 23 is equal to 0. Okay, minus 23 is equal to 0. Factorization, 8c square minus 23c plus 8c minus 23 is equal to 0. So 8c of c minus 23 plus 1 of 8c minus 23 is equal to 0. C of 8c minus 23, right? So 8c minus 23 into c plus 1 is equal to 0. C is equal to 23 by 8, which is not possible. And c is equal to minus 1. So cos theta is equal to minus 1. If cos theta is equal to minus 1, what is theta? Pi. If theta is pi, so point P is cos pi minus 1, sin pi 0, minus pi comma 0. Okay, point P is minus pi comma 0. Okay, minus pi comma 0 అంటే ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? This is pi comma 0, a point a dash. This is minus pi comma 0. అదే point P అన్నమాట. Okay, now s dash. Now what is the focal chord here? Observation is focal chord will be a dash. A dash is nothing but the focal chord here. Don't write tricky question. A dash is nothing but the focal chord. తడిగుంటేనే పెట్టారు బాగుంటే, తడిగుంటేనే బాగుంటుంది. So it means a dash is the given focal chord. So if you consider this P, you consider this as P, then this will be P dash. Okay, let it be like that. P dash is the focal point. The given focal point which is also the major axis, which is also the major axis. Okay, so here major axis is nothing but the focal point. Now what will be P dash? P dash is 5 comma 0. Got P as minus 5 comma 0, which means P dash will be 5 comma 0. Now option A. What is option A? SP plus S dash P, which is always equal to 2A, constant. Second definition of ellipse. Remember this? So 2 into A is 5, so 2 into A, 10. Okay, na? Next, option B, not option B. S dash P. S dash P. So first, what is S dash? Minus 3 comma 0. And P, what is P? Minus 5 comma 0. So S dash P, minus 3 minus of minus 5. 2. That is the length of S dash P. C. Next. SS dash. SS dash is equal to 6. D. 1 by SP plus 1 by SP dash. 1 by SP plus 1 by SP dash. See this? What is SP? It's already given that A. SP dash. SP dash. What is S? 3 comma 0, 5 comma 0. What is SP dash? Then 2. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2. 5 by 8. So increasing order into values. Increasing order of values. First D was next B, next C, and next A. So that is 25th. Next 26th. Okay, 26th one. S is one focus of an ellipse and P is any point on the ellipse. S is one focus and P is any point on the ellipse. So the maximum and minimum values of SP are M and N respectively. Okay. Vega. Maximum and minimum values of S and SP and S. Maximum value will be this one. Minimum value will be this one. See? Okay. Now, maximum value of SP. S is the focus. P is a point on ellipse. Step by step. P is a point on ellipse. Okay. And for SP to be maximum, P should be at A dash. No other option. Next, for SP to be minimum, P should be at A. Okay. Now, what is SP or SA dash? So maximum is SA dash, which is equal to maximum is M, minimum is N. Direction. Okay. SA dash. Tell me what is SA dash? A plus AE. N is SA, which is A minus AE. A minus AE. Now, question is, then the length of major axis is, what is M into N also? What is M into N? A of 1 plus E into A of 1 minus E, which means A square into 1 minus E square. What is A square of 1 minus E square? It is B square. A square of 1 minus E square is B square. So, which means B is equal to under root Mn. B is equal to under root Mn. So, which is GM of A comma B. Okay. Sorry, GM of M comma N. The value of B is root Mn, which will be GM of M comma N. So, option B, that is the answer. Inga. You are not so now? Era method. Following on also access the 12th is on our Praveen. Okay. PP4 ले जाता हूँ. calculus problems 4 tangents and normals compounds. Okay, so until 7 already we have discussed equations of common tangents to the ellipse and the parabola. See this. Find the equation of common tangent. Two ellipse and hyperbola. What is ellipse equation? X square plus 4y square is equal to 8 and y square is equal to 4x. X square plus 4y square is equal to 8 and y square is equal to 4x. Okay, these are the equations of ellipse and parabola. Now we need to find the equation of common tangent. Let slope of tangent is equal to n. Let the slope of tangent is n. So, ఇక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమవుతుంది y is equal to mx. I can say x square by 8 plus y square by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, a square is 8 and b square is equal to 2. Y square is equal to 4x. So for the parabola a is equal to 1. Now y is equal to mx plus c is tangent. Suppose the equation of tangent is y is equal to mx plus c is tangent to ellipse to parabola. We have two conditions. Okay. So if the line is tangent to the ellipse, what is the condition? C square is equal to a square m square plus b square. So c square is equal to a square 8m square plus b square 2. Now for the line y is equal to mx plus c to be tangent to parabola, c should be equal to a by m, which means c is equal to 1 by m. C should be equal to 1 by m. So c square is equal to 1 by m square. From here, I'm going to get 8m square plus 2 is equal to 1 by m square. Cross multiplication, 8m power 4 plus 2m square minus 1 is equal to, okay, 8m square. C is equal to a by m, c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Okay, everything is alright. Now m square is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So m square is equal to, so minus is not possible because perfect square can never be reduced. Minus 2 plus, there will not be minus 10. 12. 4 plus 8, 12. What is root 12? Root 4 into 3. 4 comes out, it comes to 3 by 2 into 8. So 2 to cancel. So m square is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 8. M square is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 8. So that is our m square. So this is m square. From here you get c square. Or find m, you will get c. From there you can find y is equal to mx plus c. That is the time. Calculation mistake in the number. Lega. Four x is an equation of 10. 4x. And then, okay. Okay. So none of these are optional. None of this is the answer for that question. Next. It is 8th. 9th. Tangents are drawn to the ellipse from an arbitrary point on the line x plus y equal to 4. And the corresponding chord of contact, okay, corresponding chord of contact will always pass through a fixed point whose coordinates are, okay, 9th one. Tangents are drawn to x plus y is equal to 4. Take a point P. P x1 comma y1 on the line. Okay, which means x1 plus y1 is equal to 4. Remember that equation. So now from P tangents are drawn. From P tangents are drawn. So equation of chord of contact. Tangents are drawn to x square plus 2y square is equal to 4. Okay. So x square by 4 plus y square by 2 is equal to 1. Okay. What is the equation of chord of contact? The equation of chord of contact is S1 is equal to 0. Tell me what is S1 is equal to 0? X1 plus 2 into y1 minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 4 is equal to 0. Now the question is, the corresponding chord of contact will always pass through a fixed point whose coordinates are. Okay. Now, what is x1? 4 minus y1 plus 2y1 minus 4 is equal to 0. So 4x minus y1x plus 2y1y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now 4x minus 4 minus y1, take common, we take y1 common, minus y1 of x1 minus 2y is equal to 0. So 4 of x minus 1 minus y1 of x minus 2y is equal to 0. Divide by 4. You will get x minus 1 minus y1 by 4 of x minus 2y is equal to 0. Now this is the equation of chord of contact. The question is, this passes through a fixed point, which means this equation represents family of lines. Okay, so this equation represents family of lines where this is lambda. Now this is of the form. This is of the form L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. So point of intersection, I can say point of congruency. Point of congruency of family of lines is nothing but point of intersection of L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 2y is equal to 0. Now x is 1, so y should be 1 by 2. Point is fixed point is 1 comma half. Fixed point is 1 comma half. So that is 9th one. Next. ఇంకా the line y is equal to x minus 1 touches the ellipse at point of contact formula ఉంది మనకి plus or minus a square m by కూర్చుందా plus or minus a square m by under root a square m square plus b square comma plus or minus b square by under root a square m square plus b square. ఇది చెప్తా ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది ఆ ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ ఎలా చూస్ చేసుకోవాలి హౌ టు చూస్ ఫ్రమ్ ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ సో y is equal to x minus 1 touches 3x square plus 4y square is equal to 12. Now y is equal to x minus 1. Draw the line y is equal to x minus 1 first. Put x0, y is minus 1. Put x0, y is minus 1. And put y0, x is 1. So this is the line. This is the line. Obviously, see this is the point of contact. P, point of contact. But observe like that, okay? Point of contact is in fourth quadrant, definitely. Point of contact will be in the fourth quadrant because the line is in the fourth quadrant. If the line is in the first quadrant, point of contact will be in first quadrant. If the line is in second quadrant, point of contact second quadrant. The line is in third quadrant, the point of contact is also the third quadrant. Now formula Q4. What is the slope? Slope is equal to 1. So x coordinate negative and y coordinate positive. Now point of contact formula plus or minus a square m by under root a square m square plus b square, comma plus or minus b square by under root a square m square plus b square. Okay, so this is the point of contact. Now x coordinate should be positive, y coordinate should be negative. Plus or minus రాయండి ఫస్ట్, తర్వాత ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ ప్లస్ రాస్తే మైనస్ రీజన్ పక్కన రాసుకుందాం. సో ప్లస్ a square, what is a square? It will be 4 into m, what is m? 1 by under root a square m square. See, value of m is 1, so as it is positive, because m is positive, I can take plus sign here. Okay, 4 into 1 by under root a square m square plus b square, a square m square. So 4 into 1, 4 plus b square is 3, so root 7, comma minus b square, what is b square? 3 by root 7, because p is in Q4. X coordinate positive, y coordinate is negative. So 4 by root 7, comma minus 3 by root 7. Option లేదు అసలు. ఫార్ములా కరెక్ట్ చేశాను. none of these ఉంది. So answer none of these right. Answer of repeat comes. 4 మెయిన్స్ లో 20% 10%. Correct answer. None of these. So that is the point of contact formula. Correct answer. We still have 10 more minutes. 12th question only. Normal question. Last 5 minutes. 12th question. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8 root 2 is normal to x square by 25 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Theta is the eccentric angle of the foot of this normal, then theta is equal. Okay, so equation of normal. Suppose P is a cos theta, comma b sin theta. So this is the foot of normal. Now equation of normal. Equation of normal at P is xa by cos theta minus yb by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so a is 5. So 5x by cos theta minus yb is 3. So 3y by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. 25 minus 9, 16. So comparing these two, what I'll do is then root 2 by multiply से divide చేయండి, or I'll just complete this one. 1 and 2 represent same line. Represents equation 1 and 2 represent same line, which means 5x 1 by cos theta is equal to 1 by sin theta is equal to 8 root 2 by 16. So cos theta is equal to sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, which means theta should be equal to 5 by 4. That's the answer. Theta is equal to 5 by 4. That's simple. And then that slope equal to this here. Okay, then slope is b by a tan theta over slope. A by b tan theta, sorry. A by b tan theta is slope. So a by b tan theta is equal to 5 by 3. So from there also you get value of theta. Or simply slopes. Okay. Equate slopes. So a by b tan theta is equal to 5 by 3. So a 5 by 3 tan theta is equal to 5 by 3. So ఇలా చేస్తే మీకు ఏమొచ్చింది tan theta 1 వచ్చింది. Tan theta 1 అంటే theta can be in the first or third quadrant. So first third quadrant అప్పుడు యాంగిల్ మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయలేం కాబట్టి సో ఫస్ట్ మెథడే కరెక్ట్ అన్నమాట. సో 5 by 4. పొరపాటున 5 by 4 కూడా ఇచ్చింటే ఆప్షన్స్ లో పొరపాటున 5 by 4 కూడా ఇచ్చుంటే theta ఏమైతే మీరు చెప్పలేరు అన్నమాట. అంటే క్వాడ్రంట్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకున్నారు కదా, అలా ఏ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో ఉంటుంది దాన్ని బట్టి పాయింట్ ఏ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో ఉందో ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకుని ఓకే ఎట్లయినా ఓకే ఇబ్బంది లేదు, ఎట్లా చేసినా ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఇట్ ఫర్ టుడే. రేపటితో కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతుంది ఎలిప్స్. రేపు ఎలిప్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసుకుని హైపర్బోలా స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. హైపర్బోలా సింపుల్, మొత్తం సేమ్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఉంటాయి, దాదాపుగా సేమ్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఉంటాయి మొత్తం. సో కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏం లేదు, డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములాస్ డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటే అయిపోయింది. జస్ట్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో చూసేది, ఫార్ములాస్ వరకు డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటే అయిపోయింది. ఓకే, ఇక అందులోనే ఆ PP4 లోనే మిగిలిన క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేయండి, తర్వాత ఆర్చి వస్తుంది.